Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a quick video on what mods do you need in order to boost your V6 Mustang and the cost. We're going to knock both of these out. This is a question that I get a lot in all my inboxes on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Everybody asks how much does it cost and what mods do you need. So if you're like me, you run an S550 V6 Mustang and you want to turbo it, these are the things you're going to need. We're going to start with just the kit itself. The turbo kit itself, if you buy it used, which you can find a lot on Facebook Marketplace, you're going to want, it's actually going to be around $3,800. That's give or take whose kit you're buying, how much work they've done to it. Mine in particular, I spent $2,800 for this kit. So you can get lucky out there, you can get good kits, but I'm just saying $3,800, that's how much it costs in order to get a turbo kit. If you're going the brand new route from Auto Mafia Racing or Ortiz, they're going to spend around $5,800, probably $6,000. That's if you go to the new route. So that's just the kit itself. That's just to get it boosted. Now let's talk about the mods you need. So we're going to start from the back of the car. The back is your fuel pump, your DW400 fuel pump. That's going to run you around probably $180. Same for the S550 and S197. It's the same exact thing. Then you're going to have to run to your injectors. So on this platform, I run 1,000cc FIC injectors. So that's going to run you, I think I picked them up for $650, I believe. But again, if you go to Auto Mafia Racing or you go to Ortiz, shout out Luis and all the team over there. They support me on this build. I love them. If you hit them up, they'll probably give you a discount, and you can probably pick them up for probably $600 or $650. So that is the two fueling mods you need for your Mustang. That's what goes for the S197 and S550. Now let's jump over to all of your other mods you need. So you're going to need a tune and you're going to need a tuner. Those things are what you're going to need to be able to drive your Mustang. So we're going to start with the tune. The tune, this car is by Ortiz. The tune is around, I think it's $450 or it's $650. Again, hit up Ortiz, they'll probably give you a discount. Say I sent you guys, or use the link that I have in the description for all your V6 Mustang parts. They have crazy discounts and they're a great team to work with. But that is your tune. Now you're talking about the tuner. So an S550, or not S550, the SCT is gonna run you around $400 if you get it brand new. Yes, you're probably thinking you can find one off Facebook Marketplace, but what a lot of people don't know is a tuner is married to the car. What that means is your ECU is locked and the tuner is locked. So unless they unlocked it, then you bought it from them, then it's cheaper. If it is married, how you know is you plug it in and it'll literally say married on your SCT. You have to ship it off to SCT and they have to re-wipe it or unmarry it for, I believe, $250. So if you buy it for $180 and you have to add $250, there's your cost. Me personally, I would say if you can find one unmarried, it's probably going to run you more than $180. But I would just say buy it brand new, or again, hit up Ortiz, they'll probably give you a discount. So those are the big things you need in order to boost your S550. Now I'm going to add a little bit more detail in here. If you are manual like me, you're going to have to upgrade your clutch. There is people that get away with the stock clutch, but it's probably recommended to get a newer one because you're going to be shifting at high torque and stuff like that. So I would just recommend that. S550, I don't think you need anything else added on. I think that's the only big difference is if you have a manual or if you have an auto. If you have auto, you're literally fine. You can slap that thing in and you're done. But that is the biggest things. So you have a fuel pump, you have your injectors, you have the kit, you have your tuner, and then you have your tune. 5 things is what you need in order to boost your car. Now, a lot of people are probably going to say you missed the spark plugs. The spark plugs, I don't really count that because they're literally, it's like $50, $60. That's all you have to spend in order to get your spark plugs. That's cheap. I left that out. You guys can figure that out. But those are the 5 big supporting mods you need for your V6 platform in order to boost it, run it on E85 and everything, and push 623 wheels or horsepower to the wheels like this is running. You only need 5 things for this V6 Mustang in order to run 623 horsepower to the wheels. That is one question that I see in my inbox a lot, and I wanted to make a quick little video for you guys and show you what a turbo V6 Mustang cost is and what mods you need. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a comment, ask more questions about this platform. I love making videos and answering questions. I really don't have much more due to this car. So ask the questions away. I'll make a video. I'll comment to your, or respond to your comment. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you can believe it, you can achieve it. All right. Hope that helps, guys.